Hey guys, welcome back. Today's topic is top health benefits of pomegranates. When trying to find healthy things to drink and eat, you will know that fruit is very good for you. You can eat it fresh or included in recipes. You can drink it, and often this is the best way to ensure that you are getting all of the nutrients intended for you. Pomegranate is an excellent fruit, and you will see some amazing health benefits of pomegranate when you include it in your daily diet. You can eat it fresh or mix it with other fruit to make a fantastic juice drink. Pomegranate was often seen as a miracle fruit, and because of its exotic taste and look, people once believed it to be a magical fruit. There are many proven studies to show that pomegranates can provide you with a great health benefits. Doctors and health professionals recommend eating them daily can help you to feel and look better. The health benefits of pomegranates are so well known due to the high level of folic acid in them. The fruit also contains very high levels of antioxidants, which can help your body to detox and feel so much healthier. Pomegranates are thought to have more antioxidants than green tea and other superfruits. This amazing fruit can help you with the serious medical conditions and is great for people with the heart conditions, hypertension, and some forms of cancer. The health benefits of pomegranates also can help you to lose weight and burn unwanted fat. The pomegranates are also amazing at thinning your blood and can help your blood to flow freely to your heart. This helps your arteries to not clog up and can help with the high levels of cholesterol and help your heart to function better. Although they cannot cure you, if you have a serious health condition, they can help you to feel better and will help your body to fight the disease or condition. Eating any type of fruit and vegetable can make your life better, but when you eat superfruits that are high in antioxidants, you are helping to keep your body healthier. Mixing pomegranates into a juice is an ideal way to ensure that you are including it into your daily diet. You can make some great fruit juice every morning, which is an ideal way to start the day for all of the family. You can add some great fruits and vegetables together, which will give you your allowance a day. Ensuring that you and your family get a good amount of fruit and vegetables a day can be a challenge, but with a juicer, you can drink them easily. Although the pomegranate is very similar in taste to cranberries, some people don't like the taste. They find that mixing it with orange or lemon juice makes the pomegranates easier to swallow. You can, however, mix the pomegranates with whatever you want, and the amazing health benefits of pomegranates are just the same. To eat them on their own, it can be a quick tricky, as you will need to slice through the thick skin and then scoop out the seeds. They do taste great on top of the salads or fruit dishes. However, you decide to eat them, you will love including them in your diet, and they can be found easily in many stores. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Also watch recent videos in my channel.